Be honest. Do shorts ever make you feel shorter than you actually are? I am 5 foot even, and for years I wore shorts every single summer thinking I had no other option. I was wrong. Today I am sharing 7 alternatives to shorts that make petite women look taller, slimmer, and genuinely more elegant. And number 5 is the one that completely replaced shorts in my wardrobe. Stay till the end. Alternative 1. Linen pants. Let me ask you something. Why are we all defaulting to shorts in summer when linen pants exist? I used to think linen pants were too formal for casual summer days. Too structured. Too much effort. And then I actually tried a pair, and I genuinely could not believe what I had been missing. Here is what linen pants do for a petite frame that shorts simply cannot. They create one long unbroken vertical line from your waist all the way down to the floor. And that unbroken line is the single most powerful tool we have as short women for looking taller. Shorts cut that line off at the thigh or the knee. Linen pants let it run all the way down. The difference in how tall you look is genuinely shocking. And the comfort? It is the same. Linen breathes better than almost any other fabric. In summer heat, a pair of wide-leg linen trousers actually keeps you cooler than a pair of tight shorts because air circulates freely around your legs. So here's how to style it for petites. Go for a high-waisted cut in white, cream, sand, or sage green. Pair with a fitted tank or a crop top tucked in at the front. Add pointed toe flats or a low heel. That combination creates the maximum leg lengthening effect and looks polished enough for absolutely any summer occasion. The monochromatic version, linen pants and a top in the same color family, is even more powerful. Head-to-toe cream or sand makes your entire body read as one tall, elegant line. I wear this combination at least twice a week in summer, and I get compliments every single time. Alternative 2. Midi skirts. Okay, hear me out on this one because I know midi skirts and petite women have a complicated history. For the longest time I avoided midi skirts completely. I thought any skirt below the knee would make me look stumpy. I thought they were only for tall women. I told myself they just did not work for my height. And then I learned the 2 rules that make midi skirts work perfectly on a short frame, and now I will never go back. Rule 1. Fabric matters everything. A stiff, heavy midi skirt will look like a costume on a petite woman. A light, flowy midi skirt in linen, cotton, or soft chiffon moves as you walk and creates beautiful, graceful movement that makes your whole body look more elegant and elongated. Rule 2. Always define your waist. A midi skirt with no waist definition just falls straight from hip to floor with no shape at all. But a midi skirt with a fitted waistband, a self-tie belt, or a wrap style, that gives you an hourglass silhouette that makes your legs look significantly longer because your waist is clearly visible and sitting high on your body. So here's how to style it for petites. Pair a flowing midi skirt in a solid neutral with a fitted tucked-in top. Add a pointed sandal or a low heel. The pointed toe extends the length of your foot visually, which continues that long vertical line all the way to the floor. In white, beige, or sage, this is one of the most elegant summer outfits a short woman can wear. Hey, if you are finding these alternatives genuinely helpful, please hit that subscribe button right now. Alternative 3. Wide leg trousers. Wide leg trousers in petite women. This combination makes a lot of short women nervous. And I completely understand why. Because styled wrong, wide leg trousers can absolutely swallow a petite frame whole. But styled right, they are genuinely one of the most flattering things I own. The mistake most petite women make with wide leg trousers is wearing them with flat shoes and an oversized top. All that volume at the bottom with no definition at the top and no lift at the foot, your body just disappears. Why did I do this for so long? But here's what actually works. Always pair wide leg trousers with a heel, a platform sandal, or at minimum a pointed toe flat. The lift or the length at the foot keeps your legs visible underneath all that fabric and gives the trousers somewhere to fall gracefully rather than bunching at the floor. Always tuck your top in or wear a crop top that ends at the waistband. This creates a clear waistline which balances the volume of the wide leg below. In cream, navy, or soft khaki with a simple fitted top and a strappy heeled sandal, wide leg trousers look incredibly sophisticated. Far more elegant than any pair of shorts ever could, and you look significantly taller. Alternative 4. Midi dresses. Sometimes you just want to grab one piece, put it on, and look completely put together without thinking about anything else. That is exactly what a midi dress does. And for petite women, the midi dress, when chosen correctly, is genuinely one of the most powerful outfits we can wear. Because one single piece in one single color creates that unbroken vertical line from shoulder to hem with zero effort from us. The key word is chosen correctly. Because a poorly fitted midi dress on a petite frame is its own disaster. Trust me, I have the photos. A midi dress that is boxy, has no waist definition, and is made from heavy fabric will make a short woman look like she is wearing a sack. Not the look we are going for. Here's how to style it for petites. Look for midi dresses with a defined waist, a wrap style, a self-tie belt, or a smocked bodice. Choose light, breathable fabrics that flow and move. Linen, cotton, voile, viscose, or soft jersey. Solid colors work better than busy large prints for maximum height illusion. Add a heel or a wedge to lift the hemline slightly and add height. Even 2 inches makes a significant difference in how the proportions read. In buttercream, terracotta, navy, or soft olive, a well-chosen midi dress makes you look effortlessly elegant, significantly taller, and like you spent a lot more time getting dressed than you actually did. Alternative 5. Silk and satin trousers. Here it is. The one I promised. And I want to be completely honest, I never in my life thought I would be a silk trousers person. It sounded high maintenance. It sounded uncomfortable. It sounded like something you wear to a fancy dinner, not a casual summer day. I was so wrong. And the moment I tried a pair of fluid satin trousers on my 5-foot frame, I genuinely understood why this is the alternative that changes everything. Here is what silk and satin trousers do that nothing else quite replicates. The fabric is so light and fluid that it schemes your body without clinging, falls in a perfectly straight line from waist to floor, and catches the light in a way that makes your legs look incredibly long and elegant. The movement as you walk is genuinely beautiful. And on a petite frame, that movement and that straight fall of fabric creates the most convincing height illusion of any bottom I have ever worn. Not actual silk, I want to be clear. You do not need to spend a fortune. Satin finished trousers from high street brands cost between $15 and $40 and honestly look just as good. The fabric effect is the same. So here's how to style it for petites. Wear satin trousers in ivory, cream, champagne, or soft black with a fitted camisole or a simple tucked-in top. Add barely there heeled sandals in a similar tone to your trousers. This is called tone-on-tone, and it makes your legs look extraordinarily long because there is no color break at the shoe. 1 gold pendant necklace. Done. This is the outfit I wear when I want to look tall, polished, and genuinely impressive. It works every single time without exception. Alternative 6. Tailored flowing trousers. If there is one wardrobe gap most petite women have, it is a good pair of tailored flowing trousers. Not wide leg, not skinny. That beautiful middle ground that is relaxed enough for casual days but structured enough to look intentional and polished. Tailored trousers with a slight flare or a soft pleat at the front sit at the natural waist, skim your hips cleanly, and fall in a straight line to the floor. On a petite frame, this silhouette is incredibly flattering because it shows your waist, keeps your hips proportioned, and creates that long vertical leg line we are always chasing. The fabric key here is drape. Choose lightweight wool blends, crepe, or viscose. Fabrics that hang softly rather than holding a stiff shape. Stiff fabric on a short frame always looks bulky. Soft draping fabric always looks elegant. Here's how to style it for petites. A fitted tucked-in blouse or a simple knit top with tailored trousers and pointed toe flats is one of the most versatile and flattering petite outfit formulas that exists. It works for brunch, for work, for shopping, for everything. In cream, black, taupe, or olive, this combination looks expensive without trying at all. Alternative 7. Co-ord sets. Last one. And this one is for every petite woman who wants to look genuinely put together without spending more than 3 minutes thinking about her outfit. A co-ord set, matching top and bottom in the exact same fabric, print, and color, is the single easiest way for a short woman to look taller. And I mean that. The science is simple. When everything is the same color from shoulder to hem, your body reads as one long unbroken line. No visual breaks. No horizontal interruptions. Just height. It is the same principle as the linen suit we talked about earlier but applied to every possible summer style. A matching linen crop top and wide leg trouser set. A ribbed knit co-ord in cream. A printed cotton set in a small floral. All of them create that monochromatic height illusion automatically. And the lazy factor is real. You do not need to think about whether your top and bottom match. They literally are a match. You wake up, you put on the set, you add sandals and a gold necklace, and you walk out looking completely pulled together. That is the summer morning we all deserve. So here's how to style it for petites. Keep both pieces fitted or do the balance formula. One fitted, one slightly relaxed. Always tuck or crop the top so your waist is visible. Add pointed toe flats or a heel. One simple accessory. You are done and you look incredible. And there you have it. 7 alternatives to shorts that make petite women look taller, slimmer, and more elegant every single time. From linen pants to silk trousers to the Co-ord set that does all the work for you. Your summer wardrobe just got a serious upgrade. Shorts are not the only option, and honestly, they never were. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your favorite alternative in the comments, and subscribe for more petite styling every week. See you in the next one.